Hi, my name is John Gonzalez, and I'm an enrollment specialist at NewSchool of Architecture and Design. On behalf of the entire NewSchool community, I'd like to welcome you to our virtual open house. Today I'm excited to show you what sets NewSchool apart. NewSchool of Architecture and Design is an accredited, globally recognized institution known for its forward-thinking professors, industry connections, and inspiring studio environment. Our students are innovative designers who are passionate about pursuing exciting careers in the fields of architecture, design, and construction management. During our virtual open house, you're going to get a closer look at what makes NewSchool unique, from our close-knit student body, dedicated career services team, and lively urban campus, to our numerous scholarship opportunities and interdisciplinary education. The NewSchool experience is one of a kind. NewSchool of Architecture and Design was founded in 1980 by Richard Welsh, and we are proud to be celebrating our 40th anniversary in 2020. For 4 decades, our students, faculty, and alumni have played a vital role in building the San Diego we know today. Through strong industry connections and faculty members active in their fields, our students work on real community-based projects in San Diego and other metropolitan areas like Portland and Seattle. Networking opportunities, hands-on experience, and media coverage give our students an advantage when they seek internships and employment after graduation. Step out our front door and you'll discover a city that is bustling with energy and innovation. Our San Diego, California campus is located in the East Village neighborhood of downtown, an area that is undergoing exciting redevelopment and revitalization. Within steps of campus, there are a growing number of active construction sites, giving our students the opportunity to engage with the companies responsible for building San Diego's new skyline. From site visits to guest lectures, we work with the companies our students need to know in the industry, allowing them to network while they're still in school to secure internships and jobs after graduation. NewSchool is institutionally accredited by the WASC Senior College and University Commission. Our Bachelor of Architecture, Master of Architecture, and Integrated Path to Architectural Licensure programs are all accredited by the National Architectural Accrediting Board, also known as NAB. NewSchool students regularly win regional and national competitions and continuously strive to gain knowledge and experience to advance their academic and professional careers. Our faculty members are highly respected members of the architecture, design, and construction communities. And through a vast network of industry partners and many years of experience in their fields, our students benefit from the expertise and resources their instructors bring to the classroom. The pedagogic value of human-centered design is at the forefront of design education at NewSchool. The concept is introduced to students via a common design thinking course taught across all disciplines at the start of their first year of study. As a shared learning seminar, this course establishes a foundational experience for all NewSchool students regardless of their program, resulting in a transdisciplinary approach to design education. This is characteristic of how today's design professions operate and how NewSchool graduates will function in tomorrow's multidisciplinary design firms, perform on international construction sites, and create in makerspace environments. This experience of design thinking and making creates an academic bond, one shared among all students in all programs, including transfer students, and it imparts a common language across disciplines from which to examine possible career options, or to study as a minor or area of concentration. The School of Architecture at NewSchool is rich in cultural diversity and creative energy. With international faculty prominent in the field, our students are exposed to many different approaches to design and innovation, while being exposed to the same industry standards and technologies in the classroom that are currently used in architectural design offices. From their first day at NewSchool, our students learn to expand their creative boundaries by tackling hands-on, community-based projects that provide the foundation and tools necessary to grow and succeed within the profession of architecture. In addition to offering NAB-accredited Bachelor of Architecture and Master of Architecture degrees, NewSchool is one of 21 schools in the United States to offer an option to enroll in the Integrated Path to Architectural Licensure track, also known as IPAL. IPAL combines all of the requirements for professional architectural licensure in a single program, fulfilling the requirements for the Master of Architecture degree, Architectural Experience Program, also known as AXP hours, and undertaking the Architecture Registration Examination, also known as the ARE. The School of Design at NewSchool brings design thinking and human-centered design to the study of interiors, products, and graphics. Our learning by designing methodology teaches students to solve real-life design problems with the help of faculty members who have practiced design internationally. Students have the opportunity to work with renowned professional practitioners, design firms, and industry brands, making connections that accelerate their careers, gain inspiration from collaborative projects, and independently develop their skills and talents. Our career-focused programs challenge our students to grow as creative professionals and develop their personal design identity. NewSchool design students regularly participate in local and international competitions, bringing home numerous awards in recent years, including Best in Show, Gold, Silver, Bronze, and People's Choice at the San Diego American Advertising Awards. Also, Best Conceptual Design at the Mexican National Design Awards, and Tire Track New Product Award at the Fowler Global Social Innovation Challenge, along with many more. NewSchool's multidisciplinary approach to construction management education and its emphasis on team building and leadership sets it apart. Our courses are designed as interactive learning experiences, honing the skills needed in each part of the construction industry. Students learn to implement architectural and engineering designs and manage every decision-making aspect of the building process, from materials procurement, client meetings, and site logistics to achieve budget, quality, schedule, and safety requirements. We place a strong emphasis on developing business management skills, preparing our students for the industry's current and future challenges. In addition to an on-campus undergraduate construction management degree, our fully online Master of Construction Management degree allows you to choose the learning environment that best suits your needs. Green building, sustainability, strategic risk mitigation, and creative project delivery are just a few of the topics explored in a program designed to give our graduates an edge in one of the nation's fastest growing industries. NewSchool's Integrative Studies curriculum is specifically designed to address the learning objectives of 21st century students. Our rigorous core of required and elective courses aims at producing articulate and confident students capable of achieving academic and professional goals, making interdisciplinary connections, and addressing contemporary concerns. Integrative Studies faculty place an emphasis on learning what is relevant as we challenge our students to form links between their coursework in the landscapes, natural and built environments, buildings, peoples, and cultures that make up the world, both past and present. One of our most popular Integrative Studies courses is Humanities 361, the evolution of surfing and skateboarding. This course takes an interdisciplinary approach to analyzing the impact and influence that surfing and skateboarding has had on history, also on culture, literature, art, design, and ecology. By examining both sports from their early days of crafting crude wooden boards to them becoming million and billion-dollar industries, students learn to identify how human innovation acts with and alters the physical and historical realms of time and place. Students will also get to design and make their own skateboard. Earning a minor at NewSchool is an exciting opportunity for undergraduate students to broaden and enrich their education, also to expand their career options, prepare for graduate study, or simply to explore a subject of interest. NewSchool offers minors in architecture, construction management, digital architecture and fabrication, also known as DAF, healthy urbanism, interior architecture and design, graphic design and interactive media, and product design. From our multicultural urban location and our globally recognized accolades to our focus on sustainable design, NewSchool is a one-of-a-kind place to study architecture, design, and construction management. We welcome students from around the world to join our community of innovation, passion, collaboration, and academic rigor. Our student body is rich in diversity, and in spring 2020, nearly 100 international students from more than 25 countries joined the NewSchool community, including students from Brazil, Canada, China, Colombia, Congo, Dubai, Egypt, France, Grenada, India, Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Mexico, Mongolia, Morocco, New Zealand, Norway, Pakistan, Philippines, Russia, St. Kitts and Nevis, Saudi Arabia, Spain, Taiwan, Turkey, United Arab Emirates, and Vietnam. At NewSchool, we believe that design is a global concept, and our students have studied abroad in countries around the world. They have met with the Pritzker Prize-winning architect in Portugal and toured the Museo Amano in Peru. Travel and study in a foreign country provides unparalleled experiences in the broader built environment. Joining a student organization is a great way to get involved and meet new friends. NewSchool students are passionate about what they do, inside and outside of the classroom. We have a variety of both social and career-focused organizations, including Student Council, NewSchool Ambassadors, Alpha Rho Chi, which is a professional co-education opportunity for students studying architecture and related professions, a NewSchool chapter of the American Institute of Architecture Students, and Urban Design Club. With an 8-to-1 student-to-faculty ratio, education is personal at NewSchool. Our students participate on various campus committees, engage with administration, and connect with deans, chairs, faculties, and staff in ways not typically found on a large campus. Our president meets with students on a regular basis to support student success and strengthen engagement between students, faculty, and academic leadership. We're here to support our students through every step of their education, starting with the application process and continuing for years after graduation through our alumni network. From the academic advising team helping students stay on track to meet their educational goals, to the Center for Academic and Student Success, which offers workshops, tutoring, and resources. Student success is always our #1 priority. When choosing NewSchool, you have the resources of an entire community at your fingertips. We know that finding the right job after graduation is a top priority. Our Career Services Department goes above and beyond for every one of our students to ensure that they are well equipped when they enter the job market. One-on-one counseling, portfolio development classes, mock interviews, and on-campus job fairs are just a few ways that NewSchool graduates are connected to a vast network of employers in San Diego and beyond. Our faculty and staff are committed to the success of students both during and after their education at NewSchool. Industry connections, collaborations, and cutting-edge design education are part of classroom instruction each day, as well as real-world skills-based projects that prepare students for employment and successful careers. We are proud that 92% of eligible 2018 to 2019 graduates were employed in their field of study or related field within the first 6 months after graduation. A favorite NewSchool tradition is Grad Show, an exhibition showcasing thesis projects and final portfolios from our graduating class of students. The annual event typically features more than 100 individual projects highlighting the best work of each graduate. An employers-only part of the event gives companies and local press access to the talented individuals being exhibited at Grad Show and provides exposure and opportunity for intellectual engagement and dialogue in a reverse job fair-like atmosphere. Many of our graduates have secured employment during this event, and employers attending have benefited from being able to scout the next generation of innovative leaders in one convenient location. Grad Show concludes a special day with a spectacular hosted celebration of accomplishments from our graduates, their families, friends, and the community to enjoy and revel in their achievements. Our alumni community reaches far and wide. As a NewSchool graduate, you'll join our network of alumni in countries all over the world. There are many ways to stay involved after graduation. NewSchool alumni can participate in the Mentor-Mentee program, help find internship and career opportunities for current students, become members of the NewSchool Alumni Board, and are often spotted on campus for job fairs and events. Our alumni work for many of the top architecture, design, and construction management firms in San Diego, serving as an important link between our students and the professional world. Our Career Services Department also offers a number of career planning and professional development resources for alumni. Job postings, career events, and job search assistance are just a few ways we stay connected. We are located in the trend-setting East Village Design District of San Diego, California. Our more than 79,000 square foot urban campus is designed to give students the professional tools they need to bring their creative ideas to life. Our facilities feature a large-scale print shop, materials lab with the state-of-the-art 3D printer, studio spaces, a professional quality photography lab, and a library dedicated to design and architecture publications. We prepare our students to become successful designers by simulating the creative studio environment of a professional firm. Instead of spending all of their time in a classroom or behind a desk, our students learn in exciting and collaborative studios that focus on exposing students to real projects and real clients. This is where students work on their designs and collaborate with classmates. There are also weekly studio hours with faculty where students can receive one-on-one feedback on their designs and projects. Ideas take shape in the Materials Lab, a comprehensive 3,000 square foot facility where our students work with materials and machinery to create tangible representations of their ideas. The facility offers students a unique opportunity to learn how to fabricate their designs and experience the production process firsthand. Stocked with state-of-the-art equipment for woodworking, metalworking, CNC routing, and 3D printing capabilities, the Materials Lab is a place to research the feasibility of designs and develop problem-solving skills while exploring new materials. The Richard P. Welsh Library is a well-stocked academic library with a collection of over 17,000 volumes covering all subjects offered at NewSchool. The library also offers remote and on-campus access to a range of electronic resources including ebooks, digital magazines, videos, and academic research databases. The Technology Core is our centralized support center for student, faculty, and staff's IT and printing needs. The Technology Core offers a comprehensive array of services available to the campus community. Our students have access to in-house print services which include large format printing, binding, oversized scans, automated paper cutting, and more. Printing costs for students are included in the student operation fee, with the exception of specialty paper. There is no better way to experience the vibrant design community of East Village than to live here. Students residing in NewSchool housing units will enjoy fully furnished apartments with utilities and internet included, as well as the added benefit of a resident advisor available to assist them. NewSchool is committed to making college affordable for students through our scholarship programs, and we're proud to award more than $1 million in scholarships each year. In 2019, we distributed $1.9 million in scholarships and financial aid. We offer a robust financial aid program for our domestic undergraduate and graduate students, consisting of our institutional scholarships and grants, state and federal aid, federal work-study opportunities, loans, and military benefits. The Office of Financial Aid helps identify which scholarships our students are eligible to apply for, guides them through applying for the scholarships, and recommends additional financial aid options. Whether you're just starting to research colleges, trying to determine if your credits transfer, or you're working on your portfolio, an admissions specialist is here to help. It is our goal to make sure students have all the information they need to find out if NewSchool is the right fit for them, guide them through the application and enrollment process, and ensure they have successful starts at NewSchool. Connect with our team by emailing enrollment@newschoolarch.edu, and for helpful tips, deadline reminders, and more, follow us on Instagram at NewSchool Admissions. Thank you so much for joining our virtual open house. We look forward to speaking with you very soon.